Hello friends, welcome to Sapaji. Today we are going to learn Srikhand recipe, that is a Kesar Ilachi Srikhand recipe. Srikhand is a traditional Indian sweet from the western Indian states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. In both Maharashtrian and Gujarat weddings, Srikhand is served in the thali meal, and you will also see Srikhand being served in the thali meals in restaurants. And Srikhand is made from hung curd, which is also known as chaka in Marathi language. And hung curd is curd where all its whey has been drained. First we'll see how to prepare hung curd. Ingredients required are 4.5 cups fresh full fat dahi, curd made from 1 liter milk, about 1.125 kg or 1.125 liters. And for Srikhand we need 8 to 9 tablespoon sugar or powder sugar as per taste, and half tablespoon cardamom powder or 4 to 5 green cardamoms crushed finely in a mortar or pestle, and 2 pinch saffron strands, and half tablespoon warm milk, 7 to 8 crushed or chopped pistache. For garnish you can use any dry fruits of your choice. Now we'll see directions to prepare. I'll see how to make a hung curd or yogurt. And first line the strainer on a deep bowl, then line a muslin cheesecloth or a kitchen cotton towel on the strainer. Now pour the fresh curd. Here we have used 4.5 cups of curd made from 1 liter of full fat milk, and do use fresh curd and not sour one, and bring the 4 edges of the muslin and together, and tie one edge tightly around the rest. And now gently press, and you will see the whey dripping. Now place a heavy ball or a lid or a tray on the tied muslin, and if you have a hook you can also hang the muslin in your refrigerator. And now keep the whole thing in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours or overnight for 24 hours, and do use a deep bowl below, so that there is some distance between the curd in the strainer and the collected whey. Otherwise the whey will touch the strainer as well as the curd, thus there will be some whey in the curd. And next day the whey will be drained and the hung curd will be ready. Use the collected nutrient rich greenish whey in your everyday food, like preparing chapatis, gravies, rice dishes, dals, etc. With a silicone spatula, collect the hung curd in a container or a lidded bowl. If not using it, cover with its lid and then refrigerate. With the hung curd you can now proceed to make the Srikhand. Now I'll see how to make Srikhand. Take half tablespoon warm milk in a small bowl and add 2 pinch of saffron strands. Stir and keep aside, and in a mortar powder 4 to 5 green cardamoms and then keep aside. Now take the chakka or hung curd in a bowl and add fine sugar. Lightly stir with a spatula or a spoon, and you can also use powdered sugar. Then add the saffron, dissolved milk and powdered saffron using an electric beater. Begin to whip the hung curd, and you can also beat the hung yogurt in a blender. Whip till smooth, and the sugar should also dissolve. Check the taste and add more sugar if required. With a silicone spatula, scrape the beater's sides and the edges of the hung curd and add to the bowl. You can chill the Shrikhand in fridge and later serve. While serving, top with some sliced dry fruits. You can also top Shrikhand with the crushed dry fruits and add some crushed pista for garnish. So it's very easy to make Shrikhand provided you follow the steps of preparing hung curd properly. In many Maharashtrian homes, Shrikhand is made by blending and sieving the hung curd through Puran Yantra, and a juice strainer can also be used instead of Puran Yantra. And to make things easy and quick, here we used an electric beater. We can also beat with a wide whisk, but it takes a lot of time and too much of hand work. And this Shrikhand recipe is enough for 4 to 5 servings, and but if you want to reduce the servings, then just prepare less amount of hung curd. Later add sugar and flavorings accordingly. And Shrikhand can be served plain or accompanied with puris. If puris are concerned for your health, then accompany them with chapatis. And this is for today. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.